Kandai teliki pos ki palai nyapo ka District Social Welfare Riboy District. Kublai pi ki perlu subscribers ban ngai kublai bat pedang soba kelum ya baro kat ki bayu i bat page ya kana channel. Te ha kana video ngawan ra ya kacing pentip sephi na kamanta ki pos ki palai nyapo ka District Social Welfare Riboy District nongpo. Te haswa bangan ya shikmat akan kapor ngasngok pan pedang soba ya gitu ki perlu ki panang tamai ki ba pen sayo i ya kana video te perlu lara pisngo ba kana channel kamtam kana video kawan ra ya kacing pen tip kamtam kacing mentoy ya phi ya ki ba hinga sam chong phi na ta ki perlu chong phi pila pan share ya kana video shaki kenang ba maki ro kinyo lang ya kacing tip barkum juro ya phi lara pisngo ba kana channel ka don jingmut kawan ra jing mentoy lang ya piru pila pan subscribe lara pilong iba klem par subscribe ya kana channel kenang ba kino ki video ki bangan sa tap kana channel agini ki singi bandang wan ka notification kan lai be direct sha ka phone ko jong phi enda pilapli ya ka net ko jong phi te perlu klem dapan slam agana kapor te katkum ka notification ka pelapun mi aga kat kandai direct jong upnai bombar arjar arfusan the Government of Meghalaya Office of the District Social Welfare Officer Riboy District Nongpo ka khot application ya ki eligible candidate na kapanta ki post ki balai hapo kate ka office te tongin pe ki kita ki post ka panekong kate ka post resident superintendent kane ka post kalai kawai ka post the eligibility criteria kilongkum ni any woman having a master in law or social work or sociology or social science or psychology with at least 5 years experience of working on women related relevant domains in an administrative setup with a government or non-government project or program and preferably with at least 1 years of counseling either within or outside the same setup. She should be preferably a resident of the local community and also that local human resource and expertise is utilized for effective functioning of the center. Di pan apply ketika post kita pandon ya ketika experience kebasan senem bat ya kita ki kardan ki ba la mention hajrong ki bada pandon ya ka day ban pendap ya ka master degree kalau social work sociology social science psychology te katulup kan long arfu arajar sibnai nataka post number baar ketika post office assistant ki eligibility criteria kilong kumni any person who is graduate with a minimum of 3 years experience in handling office documentation related job with proficiency in working on computer or computer at state or district level with government or non-governmental organization. Ki candidate ki devan pendap ya ke graduate minimum experience kan license apa kita ya ke government dan non-government organization na kanta handling office documentation te ka jingsiu kan long khatsan hajar sibnai te kata ka experience kabadai ka handling office documentation related job with proficiency gitu ki baladan experience kitip khamba te ka post ren barbalai ke ka post multi purpose staff ini ka post kalai artali te ki eligibility criteria belong any person who is literate with knowledge or experience of working in the relevant domain. Ki candidate ki bala nang pan tho ban puli ki badon ya ka knowledge bar ka experience kila pan apply ya ketika post te ka tulop kan long khat san hajar sibnai ka post ra number basau ketika post chong ki cook kane kalai artli ki post ki eligibility criteria kalong any person who is literate with knowledge or experience of working in their relevant domains, high school pass or equivalent will be preferred. Te na ta ka post kino ki candidate ki baladon ya ka ching na tip ban ki banang ban thok ban puli kila ban apply ya ketika post ki bala penda bro ya ka high school badan ya ka dan high school kila ban apply ya ketika post ka tulop kalong prajar sibnai ka post ran barbasan ketika post security guard or night guard kane ka post kalai lightly ki eligibility criteria kilong the services could be outsourced to any person having at least 2 years experience of working as security personnel in a government or reputed organization in the district or state level. He or she should preferably be retired military, paramilitary personnel. Tiana kam takkan ka post ki candidate kila de ban don yak experience la kono arsnem hakaban trace security haki office government lani haki non government office ru te lani haki district lani ki state level kila ban apply ya ka post kitu ki bala retire ru naka kila ban apply ya ka post ka tulop kan long prahajar sibnai ka general term and condition kan long the applicant must submit duly fill up application in standard form along with self-attest copies of requisite document to the office of the district social welfare officer Ribohoi district Nongpo ki candidate ki ban submit ya ka application form ka standard form ko jong ki rengkat bat ka ki sirok dokumen bat atas ya ki bat pila ban lai submit ya kita ki dokumen ki jong pi bat ka form ko jong pi hapo ka office district social welfare officer Ribohoi district Nongpo. Antaka baar candidate should not be less than 18 years and not more than 32 years in age as on chitrik benar-benar person upper age limit relaxable by 5 years in case of SC ST candidate. Te ki candidate kim de banduna ya ka prasnem nang ta ki de kim de ru bantam ya ka lai parsnem haka chitrik jong benar-benar person nang ta kandon ya ka age relaxable kabasan snem na kamta jongki SC lane ST candidate. Kabalai last date submission of application is on 5 December 25. Ka last date kan long ka center jong benai December jar pusan. Kabasau two recent passport size photographs duly attached should be attached with application form. Te artli ki passport size pihak ban atas ki bat pin sa pandai lang ya kete ki dor haka application form ka jong pi kabasan safe stamp envelope contain application form should be clear superscribed as application for the post of the pihak ban tho shai ru pihak ban pandap ru ya ka post ka jong pi ka form jong pi pina ping pandap shai ki kerta jong ka post ta kabahan reu kalong ba kitu ki kenet ki belong eligible kila ban sha khoda ka exam ban appear ka exam ko jong phi nang ta kabahnyong ka post jong ka superintendent nang ta office assistant kin le ya ka writing test examination bat ka interview rai ya ka post multipurpose staff cook security guard kim dan kamban le ya ka writing test ki shile tang yak interview te kabapra ki candidate ki de pendap sai yak email ke jong pi haka application form ke jong pi khnang ba na ka banta ka admin card ken sawan baik leng ba ka sawan ching tip baik leng ba ka email ke jong pi te la da kino ki form ki bom la man pen biang kat kon ki jinan kam kin sa reject na ka banta apply ya kita hiki pos trong ketika district social welfare di tangkum ta perlok di kitu kibadon ya kamun ban apply di late no kam kloi ban apply kita pos namar ba kapor kalajan kut manta setang laisi sosi te mdam porsyu ban absalam te na kamta ka tip ba kampanya sapik ya kaling hapo kana ka description ngan sebu ya kaling hang hapo trong kana ka video te tangkum ta perlok min siasem hakan next video kublai shibun